Introduction to Waterfall and Agile.
Waterfall and Agile are two of the most widely used software development lifecycle, or SDLC models. Each offers a unique approach to building software, from planning to delivery. Understanding their differences helps teams choose the best fit for their project needs, goals, and constraints.
How Waterfall works.
The waterfall model is a linear and sequential approach. Development flows through clear phases: requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase is completed before the next begins, making it structured and predictable, but less flexible when changes are required later in the process.
How Agile works.
Agile involves flexible, iterative development. Projects are broken down into small segments called sprints or iterations. Teams frequently test, review, and adapt, allowing requirements and solutions to evolve. This model supports collaboration and quick responses to changing customer needs throughout the project.
Key differences between Waterfall and Agile.
The main difference is flexibility. Waterfall is rigid and best for projects with well-defined requirements that rarely change. Agile is dynamic and better for environments with evolving needs. Communication is more constant in Agile, while Waterfall relies on clear documentation and upfront planning.
When to use each model.
Choose Waterfall for projects where requirements are clear, changes are costly, and predictability is important. Agile is ideal when requirements may change, user feedback is vital, or speed to market matters. Knowing your project's needs helps you select the right approach for successful software development.